sauce that we're making, it's known as the sauce crudo, or it's actually raw. Crudo is raw. And this is a sauce it's called the sauce of the Marchese Aldo, which is in honor of Marchese Aldo. It's a sauce that comes from the coast of Amalfi. That is where Marchese Aldo is from.
Yeah.
Yes. And it uses the fresh tomatoes from Positano, which are wonderful. So now Belia's doing a sauce, which I'm sure will include this wonderful fresh basil that she just picked from the garden. And the raw tomatoes. These are the Pacchino tomatoes?
Pacchino is like a Vesuviano,
right?
The long one,
I think
the big one.
So
we sit out in water because otherwise it's too watery.
And
no salt.
No salt.
Just because otherwise the vibes,
So is that like the cherries? You know,
cherry
tomatoes in
cherry
America.
tomatoes are round.
Right.
Vesuvio are more oblong.
But
it's fine.
Okay.
You can use it with, always not
in
so much.
In the sense that they're smaller tomatoes?
Yes, smaller
so they're not like the
with
plum
no
tomatoes
water
with
and no
lots of
seeds.
Okay. So what she did was she actually filleted the tomatoes. So there's none of the liquid is inside and there's no seeds. So she just has the actual meat of the tomatoes that she's using, and she took the water out so it won't make a really liquidy sauce. And she let them sit for a while so all of the liquid drains, and she added basil and some of the local olive oil, again here from Umbria.
Then we have
some
fresh basil,
yes,
garlic.
Fresh garlic.
We can add, if you like, fresh dry ricotta cheese, or otherwise Parmesan cheese, or nothing. We can add that at the end, cheese, okay?
Add at the end, I think.
Yeah, and extra the jewelry. And then we use the blender. And we do a sort of puree.
Okay, so now she's going to do like a puree of all these ingredients together. She said we could do Parmesan cheese or a type of ricotta, but we're going to put that at the end instead. So this will make a lighter sauce.